Good day, doctor. My name is Lin Yishan. We are from Group MET3. The product we choose is electric kettle. The title of our group is plastic using injection molding and stainless steel using stamping.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Noalia binti Yusof and we are from Group 3, and in this presentation we will introduce an electric kettle, which is a common household appliance used for efficient and safe water boiling. Although the kettle has a relatively simple appearance, its design involves the combination of different materials to meet thermal, mechanical and safety requirements. Each material is carefully selected to ensure durability, heat resistance and user safety during operation. The components of an electric kettle are typically manufactured using sheet metal stamping and injection molding processes. This manufacturing method help achieve high strength, reliability and cost-effective production for mass use. For this study, we focus on two main components of the kettle, which is the stainless steel sheet metal base and the plastic lid. Both components play an important role in the kettle overall performance, safety and efficiency, which will be explained in the next slide.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Dawudin Ibrahim. I'm from MET3 and I will be presenting regarding our objective. Okay, for the objective of this study, our focus is to analyze electric kettle by examining its material selection and manufacturing process. This product consists of two main materials, which are the stainless steel and also the plastic, manufacturing using stamping for the steel and injection molding for the plastic process respectively. The objective is to evaluate how this material and process contribute to the kettle functionality in terms of safety, thermal and performance and durability. In addition, this study aims to understand how the combination of metal and plastic components support efficient in heat transfer, user protection and cost-effective mass production in modern manufacturing.
Next, we will discuss the function of the plastic lid and the metal base. Starting with the plastic lids, its main function is to cover the kettle, helping to reduce the heat loss and prevent water splashing during boiling. It also provides the thermal insulation and protecting users from direct contact with hot steam and high temperature. In addition, the lid is designed for safe and easy opening and closing, ensuring convenience during daily use. The steam vent feature also helps maintain the pressure balance, improving safety during boiling. So moving on to the metal base, it plays a critical role in the heating processes. The base converts electrical energy into heat through the heating element and transfer heat efficiently into the water for fast boiling. It supports the weight of the water kettle structure. Since it's made of stainless steel, the metal is able to resist corrosion and withstand high temperature, ensuring long-term durability and reliable performance. Together, these components ensure the kettle operates efficiently, safely and reliably.
Assalamualaikum and have a very good day. My name is Muhammad Hanif bin Izni Helmi and today I will be discussing the components and materials in electric kettle. To ensure a balance of safety, durability and cost effectiveness, our design utilizes two primary materials, which is thermoplastic and stainless steel. First, for the plastic part, we need to know that this was produced using injection molding. We use thermoplastic like polypropylene or ABS because they can be reshaped by heat and possess high impact resistance. For the handle and lid, these are critical for user safety because plastic is a poor conductor of heat. It provides a heat insulated grip to prevent burns. For the injection molding benefit, this process allows us to create complex ergonomic shapes with high dimensional accuracy. Next are the metal components, specifically the main body and heating plate. These are made from stainless steel. For the function part, stainless steel is chosen for its excellent thermal conductivity and strength, allowing for rapid heat transfer to boil water efficiently. And for the stamping benefits part, we use the stamping process here because it is a high-speed, economical method for forming durable metal sheets into the required cylindrical shapes for the kettle body. In conclusion, by combining high precision injection molding for our plastic safety features and high speed stamping for our stainless steel heating elements, we achieve a product that is both high quality and economically optimized for mass production. That's all from me. Thank you.
The stainless steel main body and the heating plate form the core foundational structure. The main body is designed to contain water, while the heating plate efficiently transfers heat from the electric heating element to the water and allow repeat boiling. Stainless steel is chosen because of its high thermal stability, corrosion resistance, and mechanical strength. which ensures safe and reliable performance during the repeated boiling cycles. In addition, the stamping process allows this metal component to be produced with uniform thickness, high dimensional accuracy, and low manufacturing cost. Next, the plastic handle and lid, which are manufactured using injection molding with thermoplastic such as ABS, play a critical role in using user safety and comfort. The handle provides thermal insulation, reducing heat transfer from the hot metal body to the user's hand, while the lid safely covers the boiling water, preventing splashing and minimizing the heat loss. Injection molding also enables complex designs, ensuring a comfortable grip and precise fitting with the metal body.
My name is Lin Yishen and I will be presenting the manufacturing process for our electric kettle plastic lid or body. The material we use is polypropylene. We select injection molding as our manufacturing process because it is quickly and economically mass producing high precision. The whole process will involve four main stages, which are material preparation, injection into mold, solidification and ejection, and lastly finishing and assembly. We start with plastic pellet, which are fit from copper. The mold is precisely designed and lubricated, then is tightly clamped. Next, the screw inside the barrel melt the pellet using heat and friction. The molten plastic then pushed forward under very high pressure to fill the mold cavity via screw. The high pressure ensures the mold is perfectly filled. Once filled, the molten plastic cool quickly by cooling channel. The ejector pin is mechanically push the finished part out from cavity after solidified. A minimal finishing is required, usually just remove small excess material or flesh. The lid and kettle body are ready to assemble with the internal heating element. We can see from the slide. The left-hand side is the example picture of plastic pellet and mold kettle mold cavity. And on the right-hand side is the animation and the picture of injection molding. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Ridatul Hani binti Muhammad Hanafi, matrix number 22303698. I will go through the steps taken to stamp the stainless steel for our main body and heating plate of the electric kettle. The first step is the material preparation and blanking. In this step, we had chosen SS304 stainless steel as our material because it has a superior corrosion resistance. In this step, we also had designed our hardened steel die precisely with the finalized and accurate dimensions. We then form our blank by feeding a large SS304 stainless steel sheet metal into an automatic blanking line. Then we proceed to the next step, the second step, which is the stamping process. In this stamping process, we will put the blank formed into the steel die, and we will use a high pressure to contour the edges and shape the metal sheet into the shape for our main body and heating plate. And then for the next step, which is the third step, we had all chosen a nichrome wire to be encased with a copper tube, which will then be attached to the underside of our heating plate. This technique will help to ensure an efficient heat transfer to the main body and distribute heat evenly throughout the heating plate and the main body. And then come the final step, which is the trimming and finishing. In this step, we will trim off any excess metal and polish the surface to prevent any dirt accumulation. Then before going off to the market, we will run rigorous tests and inspections to make sure there is no current leakage, etc. to ensure its optimal functionality. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Haris Hanif. This slide explains the current problems and improvements in the manufacturing of the electric kettle. For the plastic lid produced by injection molding, long-term heat exposure can cause deformation or discoloration, especially when low-quality plastic is used. Defects such as warping or flash may also occur due to improper cooling, and repeated steam exposure can reduce the plastic's lifespan. For the stainless steel base made by stamping, the process can introduce residual stresses causing slight distortion. Inconsistent stamping pressure may lead to uneven thickness, reducing heat transfer efficiency. In addition, stamping requires high tooling and maintenance costs. To address these issues, several improvements are proposed. Using heat-resistant food grades polypropylene improves durability, while surface coating or passivation enhances corrosion resistance of stainless steel. Optimizing mold-cooled designs, applying stress relief after stamping, and improving die design can reduce defects and improve product quality. Overall, these improvements enhances performance, safety, durability, and production efficiency.
Next, I will talk about the conclusion. In conclusion, the electric kettle successfully combines stainless steel and plastic material to achieve efficient performance, safety, and also the durability. The stem stainless steel body and the heated plate provide excellent heat transfer, strength, and corrosion resistance, and also ensuring long-term reliability because of the feature. Meanwhile, the injection molded plastic components such as the lid and the handle enhance the user by providing thermal insulation and also the ergonomic design, so the user is easy to use. And also the use of stamping and injection molding allow precise manufacturing and high production efficiency, making the product suitable for mass production. Overall, this study highlight how proper material selection can affect and contribute to the reliable and cost-effective household appliance. That's all from our group MET3. Thank you.